Xiaomi has officially confirmed the launch date of its next flagship lineup. The Xiaomi 17 series will debut on September 25th in China, that's this Thursday. And it won't just be phones, Xiaomi will also unveil the brand new Xiaomi Pad 8 series at the same event. Now, the lineup includes the Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro, and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, and all three will be the first smartphones powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which Qualcomm is actually set to launch later today. But that's not all, we have another fresh leaks from China, showing the actual battery packs revealing the battery capacities of all the variants. Here's the breakdown. The standard Xiaomi 17 may pack a huge 7,000 mAh battery, a huge leap from the 5,400 mAh on the Xiaomi 15. The Xiaomi 17 Pro is tipped to feature a 6,300 mAh cell, still larger than the 6,100 found in last year's Pro model. At the very top, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max could ship with a record-breaking 7,500 mAh battery, one of the biggest ever in a mainstream flagship smartphone. And for those waiting on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, leaks suggest a 6,800 mAh battery, easily beating the 6,000 mAh found in the 15 Ultra. And it doesn't stop there, all four models are expected to support 100-watt fast charging, faster than the 90-watt speeds we saw last generation. Of course, these massive batteries will be paired with Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which should bring performance and efficiency gains. But the big question is, will the chip's power draw cancel out these battery improvements, or will Xiaomi finally deliver the ultimate endurance flagship? We'll find out on September 25th, when Xiaomi officially unveils the 17 series.